Hey there, I'm John from Lumnio and I'm back with another Lumnio lesson. In this one, we're going to focus on the protocol templates and exporting your data from completed work instructions. I'll show you how to create a protocol template, how to fill it with data, and how to export it to work with it elsewhere. So, let's get started. We'll start by opening the work instructions we created earlier. If you want to see how to do that, check our previous videos where we cover everything you need. As you can see up here, we have a button called Protocol Templates. This will come in handy if you want to export data from completed work instructions. For example, someone returns the company car and you want to generate a neat report from that. If you want to create such reports, you need to create a spreadsheet first. You can use the Microsoft Excel for that, or, as in our case, Google Sheets. First thing you need to do is to create the report template. You can be as creative as you want, even on multiple pages. So let's use the magic of video editing and create it. As you can see, our template is done, but there's still some things left to fill out. We have some empty cells where our data should go, and that means we have to fill it out with placeholder values, so the correct values end up where they belong. There are many to choose from, so let's get a quick rundown of them. Feel free to pause the video and take a closer look. First of all, we have the placeholders for sites and physical locations in general. This can come in handy if you deploy one work instruction file across many physical locations. Next, there are some placeholders for equipment types. And of course, we also have some for the equipment itself. Next up, let's talk work instructions. We have some placeholders for referencing the version of the instructions as well as the steps. And finally, we have a lot of ways to reference the instructions themselves. So, let's use the magic of video editing once again and fill out the placeholders. And we're done. As you can see, there's a placeholder value for every cell we want to fill out. So, let's export our spreadsheet in an Excel file format and switch back to Lumnio to upload it. To add a new template to work instructions, simply click the Protocol Templates button above and upload the file we saved earlier. You can even import multiple files to export multiple reports from a single completed work instruction file. So let's close this window and wait a bit until someone goes through our work instructions. To see if that has happened, let's switch to the Executed Procedures from the Work Items tab. Here you can see the activity of your team with some stats about the work they do. If the work instructions are successfully completed and contain a protocol template, you'll see 3 dots here. If you click them, you'll have an opportunity to save the completed protocol. If you have multiple protocols, you'll be able to choose which one to export. So let's save our file and open it in Google Sheets to see what's inside. And as you can see, we have all the data neatly filled out in our spreadsheet. And that's it. This protocol will be filled out every time someone completes the instructions. So let's recap. We learned how to create a protocol template, we filled it with data and exported the results to work with it further. I hope you found this Lumnio lesson to be useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.